Are you ready to buy your first home? What a coincidence! I am Bridget Harvey and I'm ready to help you with a change of address. Step 1, get your credit score ready. The higher your score, the better loan terms you'll get. Step 2, estimate your price range by playing around with one of the bajillion mortgage calculators online. Step 3, narrow down your ideal location. And after narrowing it down, broaden to the adjacent neighborhoods. Step 4, save for your down payment. If you haven't started yet, today is the day. Cut back on seamless. You got a home to own. Step 5, find the right broker. Hot tip, it is me. Step 6, get pre-approved. I will introduce you to a local mortgage banker that knows our market and will get you the best possible loan for your needs. If you're ready to call someplace new home in 2023, reach out and let's make a change of address.